Boxing Day, and we are going to Christmas Village.
All of them done they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys them know me. Since '06 I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow me, so you only know. Trust me, just know this and know this. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
It's Christmas morning, everyone. Merry Christmas. The day is just starting. We have lots of activities for the day. We have lots of activities for Christmas. So let's just get right into our day. Merry Christmas, everyone!
And it looks like he's crazy about you.
Boxing Day, and we are going to Christmas Village. Boxing Day, and we're going to Christmas Village. This is my feet. Can't even see, the sun is too much. Let me show you my daughter's own first. Mole, wait now. Okay, let me include you in my video. See your face. You already have stain on your face. Today is my brother's birthday, and I've been looking everywhere for pictures of him with me, or as in recent pictures of him, and I can't find any. And you won't believe that I saw this man few days ago, and I forgot to take a picture of him and with him. Oh my god. But guys, you need to manage this because he used to look like me some years back, so yeah, we can still use this. Happy birthday to my brother, long life and prosperity. I wish you every good thing you wish yourself, all your plans, all your wishes, may it come to fulfillment in Jesus' name. That my brother did try for us, so he's our dogu. But anyway, happy birthday, bro. I love you.
If you hit your enemies shine. If you don't depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me, I no go take shit. Life killer. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm taking dynamite. I play up and all night. You know I'm just that light.
Yeah. So I can drop my child here, but I'm not dropping her.
Why?
We want to go and play.
You want to go and play?
Yes.
Okay, you will still bring her here.
Later, but let us still play first. So I can drop my child here. So these people now made me pay money for my toddler, and after getting here they said the games can be played by 3 years and above. Oh well, you know, go waste, because me self, now me go use that ticket no go waste, as I don't buy am. That ticket no go what? Waste. I go play like small pikin. I identify as a 10-year-old, as a 12-year-old. We should go and enter here. Okay, this one.
But you will be our conductor.
Yes, no. We have paid all the money. So they mark the game that you are playing. They gave us numbers. Number 30.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me back out. Biggie man, wait to be back. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the boat. I know people die for nothing. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the boat. I know people die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commendate. So anything when you do, I try to do I'm plenty survive with face, just to make your money. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you. What's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know people. Different things then happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Roll like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Cherishing a fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trains. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look at the straight, you are not my mate. If you become, you should not be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing.
You are the one that is scared, not her.
So yeah, let's go. Flip, body, flip, got it, die, on it, did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was your love, to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. If you really feel into action, you really wanna give your all, but place in front of your friends. How that works? Way that you're doing the most. Please take a picture.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In the private plane, I'll lamp on it. Let it hold and call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on the bang on him. Let it hold, yeah. Tomato, I go my jaw, yeah. Tomato, I go my jaw, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro, kachoro. And if a boy feel my joy, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my doors. No, go bamboo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me. I can't trust my boys. As that day comes,
Man is already crying. He cannot go home tonight. The wife will block
This
him.
Martin, you ought to be shouting.
Christmas, my sugar, from mommy.
Baby,
Ew.
you're already
Special
exhausted.
shout out to your daughter. That's wonderful. Who is sending in the next shout out?
you can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Let it hold and call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele ho, yeah. Tomato go my jaw, yeah. Tomato go my jaw, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel my joy, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my doors. No, go bamboo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.